Decomposition Lab by Kyle Eisenberger. Decomposition is the breakdown of dead organic material into smaller particles, which helps release nutrients and carbon for plant and microbial production. Decomposition converts these dead materials into organic materials and CO2. Decomposition is an important part of all ecosystems. My hypothesis that I tested for this experiment was that more decomposition would occur where more moisture was available. I predict that I would see more decomposition occurring in the experimental environment due to the weekly added amount of water. Here's a list of the materials I used for the entire experiment. Plastic fork, leaf, a measuring dropper, piece of paper, paper clip, pocket scale, strawberry top, mulch, dirt, potato slice, grass clippings, plastic bins, a Cheeto, Starbucks straw, and water. The setup for my experiment was to use two bins that had the same amount of dirt inside as well as filled with the same exact items that I would measure each week to measure their weight in grams using the pocket scale and try and determine how much they are breaking down each week. The independent variable in this situation is the amount of water being added to both the control and experimental groups. So the control group had no water added, and the experimental group had 30 milliliters of water added each week. The dependent variable in this experiment was the weight of the items in the soil. The control variables were the ambient temperature of the bins that contain the dirt and items. The air ventilation was consistent throughout the entire experiment. There was very little air movement in the environment that the bins were stored in, and the amount of soil remained consistent as well. Here are the results. This is the results week 1 through 13 of the control bin, so where there was no water added. As you can see, there are several items in the bin that stay the same the entire semester. The plastic fork, for example, the paper clip, and the Starbucks straw did not change at all. I'm not surprised that the plastic fork or the paper clip did not change because they are such rigid materials and would not begin to break down in such a relatively short period of time. However, I was surprised that the Starbucks straw that is advertised as being biodegradable, it didn't begin to break down at all in the 13 weeks. Another thing that was surprising to me was the potato slice, because it immediately began losing weight, which I assumed was just beginning to break down, much like the strawberry top. But the potato slice just seemed to be drying out the first couple of weeks, and then after that it just seemed to continue absorbing water and not breaking down at all. And by the end of the experiment, I realized that potatoes grow in the ground, so I guess it's not surprising that they can sustain their weight for long periods of time. These are the results from the experimental group. The plastic fork, paperclip, and Starbucks straw again did not change at all throughout the entire semester. There is a significant change with the potato slice, and my prediction for that change would be inconsistency in how the water was placed in the bin. So when I use the water dropper to drop 30 milliliters of water into the bin each week, if the water fell in different spots, sometimes it would land on the potato slice, sometimes it would not, and cause different absorption levels of the water. As well as the potatoes slices location within the bin, that also could have had an effect on how much water it absorbed. So as I said before, I wasn't surprised by the plastic or metal piece items in the bins not changing, but the Starbucks straw, I was surprised that it didn't change. Uh, the fruit that I had in the bin was just a strawberry top. I think this is the most predictable item overall, just because right from the very beginning it began to dry out and then break down, and eventually um, I was not able to find any part of it because it was completely gone by, I believe it was week 6 or 7. Um, the only vegetable I had in the experiment again was the potato slice, and those results were at first surprising to me, but reflecting back on it now, I understand that it would take a much longer time for that to break down completely. I did use a blade of grass, a leaf, and some mulch, which are common um, items found in your lawn. The leaf and grass clipping eventually lost all of their weight, but they never fully disappeared in the 13 weeks. I think it would only take a few more weeks for these items to completely decompose.